When we talk about the name, it's not necessarily a code, but it's a reputation. It's a reputation. In the spirit, names are possibilities, not just codes. Yes. If I say El Shaddai, I'm evoking a dimension, not a name. That's why when you pray and say El Shaddai, you don't know, you are saying big things, but you are just saying from a small mind and a small heart. Yes, Pastor Mark. So when you say El Shaddai, you are provoking the whole dimensions. Don't you understand the reason why when we say in the name of Jesus to spirits, the spirits obey? It's only you who does not obey the name of Jesus, but spirits obey the name because they know the reputation attached to the name. Say in the name of Jesus, it shall not stand, it shall not happen. The name Jesus goes to John chapter 1 verse 2. It says nothing created was created except through him. So I nullify the operation and the function of witchcraft. So the root that was dug from the mountain to call your name, to cause affliction, that root is subject to the Creator. If they want to be witchy, they must use something that was not created. As long as it's created, if it's a tree and the blood and a needle and all, everything existing, oh my God. If you call in the name of, you are naive. That is why you don't need to go where they are doing it. You call a dimension. The name of Jesus is a whole dimension. If you are studying and you can't understand, you feel like my mind is all over the place. Then he who created the mind, you summon the creator. Your VW is broken. What you do, you call VW. Sometimes they'll not say, don't bring it. They'll say, what's wrong with the car? You tell them that the car is cutting. They will say, no, there's a fuse here and here and here. It's a problem. Touch this and touch. What you are doing when you call the name of Jesus, you are calling the garage, the one that designs the mind, the one that designed a heart faith, the one that designed this name has got speed. It is faster than any. The moment you call at the sound of the name Jesus, every knee must bow, every tongue must confess. Pastor Ron, the name is a reputation, it's a dimension. Yes, Pastor Ron. Don't you know that Moses had everything to go to Egypt? Please listen to me, saints. I'm closing. He had everything to use when he gets to Egypt. He had the staff. He had the experience. He knew what the staff could do. But last question he asked, whom shall I say has sent me? What reputation am I going with? Because Pharaoh is the name of a god. It's not the name of a president. No. It's the name of a god that is worshipped. So Moses, when he comes in, he wants to know, which god do I come in? God says, tell Pharaoh, tell the god of Pharaoh of Egypt that I am has sent. So when you get there, you are sent by Yahweh, Jehovah. I am the, so I can become whatsoever you want me to become. If you need any form, any dimension, summon that dimension. That is why many people were able to break down their I am into smaller ways they can understand. Abraham called him Jireh, the provider, but that adds to I am that I am. Some call him El Roy, some call him Nisi. Those are dimensions, Pastor Ron. It's a reputation. A name is a reputation.